I think we'll be right. Yeah, but this is Merry Christmas to you. We're all in love with Christmas, it's true. And all I want for Christmas is you.
Hey guys, welcome back to Lifestyle. This is the video right after my last video, and I'm about to do a hairstyle for you guys. Yes, it's looking extremely crazy right now. But yeah, I'm just gonna do 2 braids. I'm gonna part it, do 2 braids, and then yeah, I don't know how much of a tutorial this is gonna be because it's late and my concert's tomorrow. I might like triple upload. Yeah, I might triple upload. That's crazy. But yeah, I might be triple uploading. I have my concert tomorrow. Hopefully you guys get to see it tomorrow, not like any time after that. But yep, let's get into this hairstyle. So first I'm going to put in my quick products. Just like my last braiding video, I use the locking cream wax cream wax, same thing. Yep, I use that, and a little bit of oil, a little bit of Cantu. I don't know why I put Cantu in there. It keeps my hair kind of soft. I know a lot of people have like rough dreads and stuff. I like soft dreads. I'm not like, I don't want like the rough type dreads. I just like, you know, yeah. So I'm gonna just put in product one time. So I'm gonna put it all in at one time. So what I do is, oh, and I also use this oil. I'm running out. I need some more. You guys want to buy me some oil for Christmas? I need some oil. It's like, no, LOL. Everybody in the play. I don't know. Have I told you guys I was in a play? I don't know if I did a video. There's videos on my channel, but they're not unlocked. But I'll play a clip of, you know, slide some oil. Okay. Cause I need some water. Oh, I'll be back to get some water. All right, I'm back. I went to go get my little spray bottle of water just so that I could spray my hair and also wet my hands and wipe off the oil because I can't text and stuff. How you guys like my hair like this? Should I do this? Like, should I make this a style? Like, you know, one day just do like this. I've actually done this style before. This is a Killmonger style. This is my first video, except my hair is longer now, so I could just easily boom, and it does it. No problem. But yeah, this is one of the Killmonger styles. I haven't actually copied any of his style except for the one with the ponytail in the back. What now? I put in the oil. I'm gonna spray a little bit of water. When you braid your hair, you want your hair a little bit wet so you know it could dry and form, and then also stretch out when you are braiding it. Don't put too much water, you know. And now a little bit of Cantu to make them soft. Honestly, if you wanted to do what I'm about to do, this braid, you don't need much, really. On like a normal day, I wouldn't do much. I would just put a little bit of like oil and then just start twisting. None of this extra. But I will be leaving in this style for like the next week. So I kind of have to put in a little bit more so it could hold. What do I do with the scrunchies? Here's one. Where's the next one? Can't find it. Oh, found it. Alright, so we're gonna do 2. I want to call it my horns. Like, I don't know the actual terms for these type of hairstyles. I looked up like the types, but like it didn't show me like names. So we put that there, and now we have this side. Yeah. Alright, let's start this. So I guess I'll do a little bit of teaching real quick, even though I showed you guys the last time. But what I do, you know, you twist it in a direction that your hair has been, I was about to say been being retwisted. And the way that you would retwist your hair, you do it in that direction. And you could see that mine is this way. If I go the other way, it's too loose. It keeps getting looser. You want to go this way. And then once you do that, you grab the next one. Also, you want to retwist them. Once you have one, retwist the rest in the same direction, pretty much. Like, you can't keep going. No, like, you can't go the opposite. So what I do is a regular, like, 3-strand braid. Show you guys that. Okay. So you see here I did like a braid. And what you do is, it's like, I believe what it's called plaits, where you just braid it, and then like when you braid your hair, each you always use 3 strands, so you just act as that middle one is the 3rd strand. You take it back and you braid the 2 that's right next to it. And then you see it starts to form. I hope this turns out good. I actually attempted this the other day and didn't like it, and I took the whole thing out. Like, I did one side and was like, nope, taking it out. So I ended up taking it out, and then I did just braids. So you gotta like feel for your own hair. I can't really see it. My mirror is like all the way over there, and I don't feel like getting it. I'm lazy. Omexav Lazy Style. I'm about to change my name. So yeah, I feel for the next 2. And then, oh wait, is this one closer? You have to work with the closer ones. Whichever ones are closest, work with that one. So this one's closer, so I do twist them both in their direction so I can, it's retwist and braided. And then you start to braid it around the main one. And then you continue with this process all the way until you're done. So, hopefully this turns out good. If it doesn't, I will be sad. So, time lapse. So, I'm deciding to change my mind. I need to practice this style more because I haven't done it in so long. The last time I think I did it was like my ID picture, and I don't remember how I did it anymore. So I'm gonna undo it and show you a different style that I know how to do. It's easier too. I'm trying to be all complicated and make it look good, but I don't have that time right now. So what we're gonna do is I don't know if I ever showed you guys this one before, but we're just gonna take, I think I did show you, but we're gonna take two, rotate them in their direction, retwist direction, as we're gonna call it, a retwist direction. So rotate them, twist them in the opposite way, like a 2-strand twist. And then we're gonna continue adding one, I think. Let's see which one's the closest. Do we have these two? Oh wait, no. You do the cross thing. Okay, I totally forgot how to do my hair for a minute. So you do the cross, you take it from the outside and cross it over, and then twist it around. And continue in that process. And with the opposite side, you want to take it and twist it on the other side. And then continue like that. This style is going to look a lot better on my hair than the other one. The other one I can't figure out right now. Like I'm not doing something right. And I have to be in like a bigger mirror. So I'll do it like another day. Probably like, no, not after I take this braid out. Probably like in 3 weeks or less. So I'm going to continue that process. But, ow, I hit my foot. Ow. Okay, now I will time-lapse the video.
Kai be on the track.
So finished the first one partly. I'm not gonna go all the way back because I want my hair to hang some in the back, and I have this right now. I know it probably looks terrible. I'm not gonna redo it, but I'm gonna fix it up so it can look okay. But that's how we have it now. I'm gonna skip to maybe when I'm done this side, and then maybe fix up the back, and then that would be it. So I'm gonna finish this side now.
Purchase your tracks today. Purchase your tracks today.
So here we have one of the worst things I've ever done in my life. I'm going to redo it tomorrow sometime during school. It's not good. I should take this out. But the gist is the two horns. And the way I showed you is the way you do it, but I just can't see right now because it is only my phone that I'm using and my mirror I'm too lazy to get. But this is it. I mean, it doesn't look that bad where I have to redo it, but it doesn't feel good. Like, it doesn't feel like in unison. Like, everything feels off. But that's it. I like that. That looks cool. My hair is getting so long. But that's it, guys. So if you're new, don't forget to subscribe and leave a like on this video. Also leave suggestions in the comments of any other videos you would like to see and hairstyles you would like me to try or do and teach. And I will see you guys next time. Peace.